Oh, sweet revenge. My girl, Inimo. Himeno? Something like that.
Surrender and come along.
Snake. Now.
Damn, just like that.
Oh, you motherfucker.
She ain't playing around. Don't go easy on her, Rocky.
Ghost.
Not go easy on her.
Kill this guy. You're better than you were before.
Anytime.
Hell yeah, he's locked in now.
You're a quick peek into the future.
Oh, very useful. Holy crap. Future Six?
That's all, just a peek.
I was about to say that, like, you still gotta be, you gotta, like, train and stuff. Oh my god. No way. No way he's gonna go out like this. Genji, where are you?